Hey guys, what's up? Eddie Aho here with KissAnalog.com, and we have a giveaway. I'll talk about the giveaway in just a moment. I also want to make a special announcement. This is something super special for the channel, first time ever. Hopefully there'll be more to come, but this is like, for the first time ever, it's gigantic. We're going to interview someone who is huge in the field of electronics engineering. Arguably has to go down as one of the people or individuals who's given the most to the electronics engineering field. I mean, I think you can argue that. Yeah. I don't know how you couldn't. So I don't want to name that person yet. I want to make sure this thing goes through because it's the first time I've done it and all this kind of stuff. And even now I'll have egg on my face, but it'll really be bad if this thing doesn't work out. So it's going to happen. This is Tuesday, September. Let's see, what do we got? September 26th. So this is going to happen on September 29th. And so I don't think it's going to be live. I kind of want to do it live, but I don't know how to do that yet. And I think that might be a little bit more complicated to set up. So I'll probably post it on the 30th. It'll be Saturday of September 2023, okay? So I think that's 30th, isn't it? And so I'm going to do a contest, and whoever wins that contest, I'm going to send out. Now the contest is going to be till the end of this month, September. So I'm going to close it as long as there's some contestants. I do these things in the past, and you'd be surprised I get one or two people or a few people, you know, asking to be entered into the giveaway. It's crazy. So this one's short notice, so who knows? I might have to extend it into next month, okay? So guys, what I'll do is if I don't have anybody entering this contest, then, so please enter. But if I don't have any entries, then I'll announce that instead of the winners first part of next month, okay? And then we'll extend it for a couple weeks or something like that. But I don't want to go too long, okay? So here's a contest. It's going to be Qspice based. You have to have Qspice on your computer, which is free. So just download that. Now here's the thing. If you're not good with Qspice and all that stuff, and you're like, oh, geez, here's another thing I can't enter. It's okay. Just send me an email, and here's what you have to do. The very minimum. You have to be a subscriber, number one. Number two, you have to go to Qspice video where I announce Qspice. Qspice is born. You know, LT Spice is dead. You have to go to that video, make a comment. Even if you've already made a comment, comment again and say Qspice giveaway. Okay? So comment there, Qspice giveaway. Now here's the schematic I want you to enter. It's a Wolverine amplifier. So go to the Wolverine video I did. Look that up. Go Kiss Analog Wolverine, and it should come up, okay? Or Wolverine Kiss Analog. I think it'll come up either way. So search for that. Go watch that video and put a comment there too. So subscribe, leave a comment on those two videos, and then send me an email saying you want to enter the Qspice giveaway. And on both those videos, your comment, start off by saying Qspice giveaway, and then say, you know, you want to win something or leave some kind of comment or whatever, okay? But just say Qspice giveaway. That way I can find your comments. So as long as you do those things, you'll be entered in the giveaway. And as runner-ups, if you don't complete the schematic, I'm going to give these two things away. Now here's the thing. You have to be in the U.S. because otherwise it's just crazy expensive to send these things. So sorry about that, but I'll send these two things out. This multimeter is a Zoe 20,000 count multimeter. Whoever gets the schematic done, or the most done, I'll send this to. Now, if there's more than one, I almost doubt it. I almost doubt that I'll even have one finish it. But if I get more than one finish it, then I'll have to do a random selection. And, you know, I'll have to pick somebody that way. And I don't care where you are in the world in that case. I'm going to send this out and I'll pay for it. I've paid for things to go to Norway, to Canada, and by the way, it's expensive going anywhere outside the U.S., it seems like. So it almost seems like it doesn't matter what country you're in. I'm sure there is some difference, but I'm telling you, it's like $50 or $80, it seems like, to ship anywhere. So US dollars, that's expensive. But I will. I'll send this out to anybody that completes the schematic. I mean, to any, one person. I only have one of these. I gave away one of these last year or something. I might get another one of those things, and if I do, I'll give that away too. But yeah, I already had a giveaway on a video for that thing. But so I kept one of them. But anyway, I'll give this away to one person, whoever finishes. But you have to be a finisher. Now, if no one finishes the schematic and I get a bunch of people entering it, and maybe even no one even could start the schematic, then I think I'll still give, you have to, let's say you have to make a good mark through the schematic, right? Let's say halfway through the schematic. I don't know, you have to get halfway through the schematic. And if I find someone that's gotten halfway through the schematic and not quite finished it, and they got the furthest, then I'll send this out to that person, okay? So that's going to be a little bit subjective. Like, I'll have to look at each person's schematic and try to figure out which one looks the most done. And if I got 2 or 3 finishers, which if I get that many, last time I did one of these things, it was a little bit easier schematic, a lot easier schematic probably. And I had more time I allowed people to finish. And I think I only had 2 people finish it. Maybe, yeah, I think I had 2 people finish it. Did I have 2? I don't even know if I had 2 actually. So, but anyway, so yeah, don't think that you're in competition with lots of people. Now, this, because it's Qspice and because it's similar to LTSpice, it's new. A lot of people aren't on board with Qspice yet. So if I was saying build it in LTSpice, I'd probably have a lot of people jumping in that are experts and could, like, just, do a schematic. And the library's bigger. It'd probably be a lot easier for somebody to compete. But with Qspice, I think we're all starting off on the same foot. Qspice has been updated practically every day, but yet the library's not that big. So you have to enter parts. Now let's say you build the schematic, but the transistors are placeholders. What a placeholder is a transistor that's not a correct transistor, but it's just a transistor to, schematic wise, it looks like it's correct, right? But if you start looking at part numbers, you go, this isn't the right thing. That's okay. That's totally okay. We can complete that for you, okay? So even if you can do that, I'll bet you if I have somebody do that and they don't even get all the correct parts in the library, anyway, I'm going to be kind of surprised because, you only got a few days to do this. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to announce this. I'm sorry it's not very fair, not very much time left, but I just wanted to do this to kind of put a mention out there that there's going to be a special interview coming up, and I just wanted to get some excitement built, and I have to figure out the title to try to clickbait, get people, I mean, not clickbait, you know what I mean? I mean, just to draw people into this, because I want to bring attention so that people will come and see this video. And then the interview video, I should be able to post it Saturday, if not go live Friday with it. I doubt we'll do it live, but so anyway, it'll post Saturday. Wow, that's gonna be exciting. That's gonna be super exciting. So yeah, you know what, when I post that video, the first person that says Qspice challenge in that interview video, Qspice challenge, I'm gonna send. All right, guys, and if you're in the U.S., I gotta say U.S. because of the shipping cost, but if you're in the U.S. and you see that interview video, the first one that says Qspice giveaway in that, I'll send out in the U.S. I've got some hand tools from Qspice. I'll send you out something from Qspice, okay? So just be the first one to say Qspice giveaway in that interview video. It'll be obvious. It's going to happen September 2023. Okay? So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. 2 thumbs up to my patrons as always. 2 thumbs up to the members, the 4 members I have of the channel. That's awesome. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And there's a super thank you button down below. YouTube added. Every once in a while somebody hits that up. I really appreciate people that do that. Buy me a cup of coffee, beer, whatever it is. And appreciate it, guys. And I can't wait for this interview. So we'll see you then. All right, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.